Do you wish you could finally quit your job and work from home full-time doing what you love? In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 digital products that could make more than your full-time job, and be sure to stay to the very end of the video where I do the math to show you how you can use digital products to replace your full-time income. If you're new here, hi, I'm Molly. I started as a college dropout with just 81 cents to my name, and I grew that into a 6-figure per year photography studio. Then I started creating content to help photographers, and I grew that into a 2 million per year business. Now I help content creators just like you to monetize your content with digital info products so you can help your followers on a deeper level and make a full-time living doing what you love. Okay, so the very first digital product is a digital guide. Now, a digital guide, it's just basically a PDF where you are guiding someone from point A, where they are now, to point Z, the result that they want to get. So you could create a guide on how to start your first garden, or how to use the manual settings on your camera, or how to make your first painting that you love enough to hang on your wall. The possibilities are endless, but the most important part here is to listen to your followers and figure out what their problem is so you can create a digital guide that will guide them from where they are now to solving the problem they have to getting the goal that they want. Now, I've personally created many digital guides, and they have been one of my most top selling, most popular digital products because it is simply guiding someone to get a result. So I've created digital guides on marketing strategies, growing your following, and I also had a really popular one on how to infuse email marketing into your service-based business. And that one was really popular. And I think the key to having a really successful guide is just truly guiding them step by step on how to get that result. Okay, so the second digital product idea is project plans. So whether you use Asana or Trello or Monday or Notion or whatever software you use to create your project plans, you can easily download that as a digital template to resell to your followers. So if you are in an industry where you use Asana and everyone else uses Asana, and you had a project that went really well and your followers really want to get their hands on that project plan so that they can duplicate it to do whatever it is they want to do. Maybe it's grow their following, maybe it's make more sales, maybe it's grow their company in a certain way. They can then have this template and import it to have a step-by-step project plan to get that goal. So maybe you work with certain companies that want to grow their organic following, and you have a step-by-step Asana project plan to grow their Instagram following. I don't know, it doesn't matter what it is, but whatever the result is that you've gotten that your following wants, you can put that into a project plan template in whatever software it is you use, and then you can resell that online. Now, as you know, this video is giving you 5 digital product ideas that could make enough money to replace your full-time income, but maybe you're wanting more than just 5 ideas. If so, go in the description below my video where I have a totally free download for you on where you can get 54 different digital product ideas. All you gotta do is put in your name and email, and you can download it instantly. And you can also see how I'm able to use a free download to move my followers to email subscribers, which is what you should be doing as well. Okay, so the third profitable digital product is bundles. Now, a bundle could really be anything that is bundled. So for me, one thing that I sold to my following of photographers was bundles of album templates. So what a lot of photographers do is they take the pictures and then their clients pick out their favorite ones, and a lot of times they want them in an album, for example, a wedding or a portrait session. And so what I did was I sold these pre-designed templates to make their albums look really good. So you put the photo in the center and then the rest of it's like a designed around it, right? So maybe you want to create a bundle of scripts or a bundle of design items. It doesn't really matter what it is. You can go ahead and sell that as a bundled digital product. Okay, the fourth digital product is a workshop. I love workshops, especially for newbies, because it gives you the opportunity to really sell your digital product quickly, teach it in a live workshop format. It doesn't have to be in person, but it can be if you want to. But what's so cool is it gives you the opportunity to teach that information live, to get live feedback, see what questions people have, see what information you might be missing, potentially teach that workshop live over and over and over until you've really nailed it. And then the cool thing is you can go ahead and sell the recording. And since it's a recorded digital product, as with any digital product, you can sell an unlimited amount. So you could sell that recording over and over and over. So I recently saw a creator do a live workshop over and over and over, probably like 6 or 7 different times. And then once she nailed it, she decided to start selling the recording. And she was able to sell over $100,000 of this workshop between the live workshops and the recordings. And I just think this is a really great way to get started, nail your content, and then be able to have a scalable digital product. Okay, so the fifth digital product is scripts. Now, what a script is simply word for word sort of template. It could be a Word document, it could be an email script, could be a sales page script, could be any kind of script that's really just like word for word words, basically like a Word template. So for me, scripts have worked really, really well. I've been able to sell scripts of email templates. I've been able to sell scripts of sales pages, word for word scripts that you would put into your funnel. There's lots of different ways that you can do this. If their pain point is that they're not getting enough clients, they're not getting enough bookings, they're not getting enough XYZ, and you want to be able to give them a word for word script, like maybe you train high ticket salespeople and their number one problem is that they're not closing enough deals. You could give them a word for word sales script that they could then use word for word or tweak it to their particular niche to help them get their sales average up. There's really so many different possibilities with this. So find the problem that you can solve for your audience. And if it happens to be that you can give them a word for word script to get them that result, then go ahead and do it. And what I've really noticed with digital products is the more done for you that you can sell, the easier it's going to be to sell, because you're not saying, hey, here's the thing, you go do all the work. You're basically saying, hey, if you use this script, you're going to get more bookings or up your sales percentage or whatever that is. And this is going to really help you get better results. And so it makes it quicker and easier for them to get the result, which is a win. Okay, so maybe by now you're thinking this is cool. I have 5 digital product ideas. Plus I downloaded the free PDF with 54 more digital product ideas in the description below. But maybe now you're wondering, how do I go ahead and actually figure out how to replace my full-time income with a digital product? Well, the cool thing is it all comes down to simple math. So let's say you're making $6,000 a month from your job. That would mean you probably are going to need to make about $10,000 a month with your business to replace that income, because keep in mind with your business, you have expenses, you have to pay taxes. Maybe you had healthcare with your job and now you have to pay for it yourself. There's a lot of different things to consider here, but let's just say that you're going to need to make $10,000 a month now with your digital product to replace your full-time income. And let's say that you decided on the type of digital product and that you want to sell that digital product at $67 per sale. Now all you have to do is divide the $10,000 in revenue a month by the cost of your digital product, which is $67. And that would mean that you would need to sell 150 digital products a month, or just 5 digital products per day. And the cool thing is, once you have your digital product created and ready to sell, all you really need to do is focus on creating content so that you can get traffic to that digital product to get sales. Now, you do not need to go and do all this crazy complicated stuff on Etsy or Gumroad or any of these other sites. I know they're promising to send traffic for you, but I promise you that that is not going to be the case. There is so much competition on these sites. They want you to buy ads. Gone are the days of just like free traffic from these platforms. What you want to do is grow your own platform, grow your own following for free. Doesn't matter what social platform you choose. You can choose YouTube and Instagram like me, or you could choose blogging, you could choose a podcast, whatever it is. And if you stay consistent with this and you're actually solving a painful problem with your digital product, you will start to get sales, and eventually you could even replace your full-time income. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, a comment, a subscribe, because I put out videos just like this 1 to 2 times every single week. And if you want even more digital product ideas, be sure to check out this video next year, because in this video, I'm not only going to give you 5 more digital product ideas, but I'm also going to share with you how you can use AI to actually create those digital products. So check this video out next here, and I will see you in the next video.